Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's video guys, we are going to be making my classic light chocolate cake recipe. This cake guys is moist, light, fluffy with a silky chocolate glaze. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, combine flour, cocoa, salt, and baking powder. Whisk everything together, then set aside. Next, in a large bowl, combine butter, sugar, and shortening. Beat well until well combined. The mixture should be light and fluffy. Now add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Now we're gonna stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl and beat again for another 30 seconds. The mixture looks good guys. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients alternately with milk, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna use the spatula to make sure that everything is well incorporated. Generously grease your pan with a non-stick baking spray. Now pour the batter into the grease pan. Use a spatula or a knife to smooth the top. Place the bent pan on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake the cake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour 30 minutes. Remove the cake from the oven, insert a toothpick, and when it comes out clean, it means your cake is done. Allow the cake to sit for 5 to 10 minutes in the baking pan, then we're gonna invert onto a cooling rack. Let cool before drizzling with chocolate glaze. For the chocolate glaze guys, I will leave the recipe down below in the description box. Drizzle the cake with chocolate ganache and allow it to set before cutting it. You will love how moist and tender the crumbs are in this cake, guys. Believe it or not, this chocolate cake is pretty tasty even on its own. There you have it, guys. Super soft, moist, delicious, light chocolate cake ever. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please share it with your friends and your family, and I hope you'll try this recipe. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my